Hello everyone, this is Kavita and I hope you people are good, safe, well and fine at home. So dear students, today we are going to start a very new chapter of a geography part, that is the Earth in the solar system. And also we are going to learn about many new things such as how the universe came into existence, how the sun is formed and what is a solar system. So without wasting time, let's move towards the video.
Do you know that how was the universe made or how it came into existence? So, most astronomers think that the universe was formed during an event called the Big Bang, which was a giant explosion which occurred between 10 and 20 billion years ago. During the Big Bang, all of the space, time, matter, and energy in the universe was created. This giant explosion hurled matter in all directions and caused space itself to expand. As the universe cooled up, the material in it combined to form galaxies, stars, and planets. So, let's learn about the Milky Way. What is the Milky Way? Basically, the Milky Way is the galaxy in which we live in. It is a spiral-shaped galaxy that contains several hundred billion stars, including our Sun. It is about 100,000 light years across and about 10,000 light years thick. If you are at a place which has a very dark night sky, you can sometimes see the Milky Way as a thick band of stars in the sky. We live out in the suburbs of the Milky Way, not near the center but not near the edge either. There are at least 100 billion galaxies in the universe, and the Milky Way is just one of them. The Milky Way out of the four types of galaxies is a spiral barred type of galaxy. And every star we see with our naked eyes is in the Milky Way galaxy. So I hope you understand till here. Now let us learn about the sun, that how it is formed. Our sun is a yellow dwarf star, a hot ball of glowing gases at the heart of our solar system. Its gravity holds the solar system together, keeping everything from the biggest planet to the smallest particle of debris in its orbit. The connection and interactions between the sun and the earth drive the seasons, ocean currents, weather, climate, radiation belts, and auroras. Though it is special to us, there are billions of stars like a sun scattered across the Milky Way galaxy. The sun and the rest of the solar system formed from a giant rotating cloud of gas and dust called a solar nebula about 4.5 billion years ago. As the nebula collapsed because of its overwhelming gravity, it spun faster and flattened into a disk. Most of the material was pulled toward the center to form our sun, which accounts for 99.8% of the mass of the entire solar system. I hope it is clear till here. The sun, like other stars, is a ball of gas. In terms of the numbers of atoms, it is made of 91.0% hydrogen and 8.9% helium. The sun is the most important thing in the sky for us. There could be no life on earth without its heat and energy. So about 5,000 million years ago, there was no sun on earth. A part of space was filled with a huge cloud of gas and dust. Slowly, gravity pulled this cloud together and it began to shrink and spin faster. The middle of the cloud became thick and hot and finally turned up to a giant ball of glowing gas. A new star, a sun, was born then. So I hope you people have understood till here. Now do you all know that what is the earth and how the family of earth existed? So as we live with our family, our planet earth also has a family. As we have our parents and siblings in our families, the earth has sun and other planets in his family. The family of the earth is known as the solar system. A solar system is basically a collection of the sun, 8 planets and their moons, comets, asteroids, meteoroids and dwarf planets revolving around the sun. The 8 planets revolving around the sun is in a sequence are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. There is an asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. These planets revolve around the sun in an elliptical orbit. There are other astronomical objects too in our solar system, such as meteoroids, comets, and a dwarf planet. Pluto is a dwarf planet, and earlier it was considered as a planet, but then it was discarded because it does not satisfy the criteria of a planet. Earth's only natural satellite is simply called the moon because people didn't know that other moons existed until Galileo Galilei discovered 4 moons orbiting Jupiter in the year 1610. Moon is the only place beyond Earth where humans have set foot. Moon formed around 50 million years after the origin of the solar system. So this was all about a chapter that the Earth in the solar system. So for more information, please keep watching our videos. Thank you for watching.